Hi all, welcome to my channel Journey with Sam. Today I'm going to teach about what is mutate function, how we can use a filter in data wrangling, or how we can manipulate some few variables with case when. So let's see all together in one shot today. So for all of this, we need a deployer package. So this helps in data manipulation, in data cleaning. So even you want to calculate any kind of summary statistics also, deployer will help you out. An arrow here which helps you to read your package file. So that's why I've used this package. So already I read the data from this folder and you can see the data here. So now we can go how the filter function can be used. So in this we will see a score of below 20. So is there any kind of IDs which have a below score of 20? So let's use your filter package now. So now I'll give a DF data frame from the data and you can use your filter. So what it will does, so inside it will subset your rows from the main data frame. So you can either give a true statement, so it doesn't show you the false statements. It will try to figure out the things what we are giving. Like if you want to find a string, you can do. You want to find one kind of column from that, you can do. So it will subset the rows from the existing data frame. So now I will go with the score. I would like to take which is below 20. So the score has been given in a sentence case. So let's initiate and you can see the DF have a 0. So no data in the available here. So let's check manually, is there any data which have a below of score 20? No, but we have a 20 but we have not given equals to. So let's check use that also. So let's give. So initially when we gave a less than 20 there is no data, but when we gave the less than or equal to 20, so we have only one observation with scores of 20. So now along with the score I would like to filter only the participants of gender of female. So let's go with this and use this ampersand and go for the gender. And whenever you want to make an equal statement, so use the double equal. So you can filter with the gender and I would like to look for a male. So let's execute and you can see the 0 observations now. So there is no data. You can see the 20 score is of male, it's not a female. So in this way you can have a multiple options. So it will subset the rows and it will give you the final output. How we can use this mutate function for what purpose? So mutate package actually come from the deployer package and also from the core part of your tidyverse, which helps you to modify a column or create a new column or also to delete a column. So let's see how we can use this mutate function. So right now I'll create a data frame called df1. We'll call the data and we will use this mutate function to create a new column here. So create a new column called age group and I'm also using the case one statement here to elaborate. So you can give a multiple statement in a case one. So let's see, first go to the data. Now I want to group this age into a different categories. So let's go here now. And now what I do, I'll check initially if there is a non-missing of age group. And then I will categorize which is group of uh, greater than 12 and less than 19 comes under teenage or maybe young. And now again I will write like to check if there any missing of age. I would like to exclude, and I would like to check which is greater than 19 and age is less than 60. Would come under like adult. So again, I'll check now SNA where to check like non-missing values, and I would like to consider above 6 age group, like greater than or equal to of 60 of age group should come under a senior. So let's execute this now. So it is showing some error, could not find the case when function. So I think I have used the W as a capital. So let's execute now. So this right now it executed without an error. So let's open this DF1. You can see each of the age group has been categorized in this way. So here, as we have included only the uh, age category, so it has given, but here you can see the age is missing, the group is missing because we have in the condition we have not even included this kind of category. So suppose you also, as per your stakeholders requirement, if they want to consider this one, so you can do that. So maybe you can give one more category here. So in this way, it's all to check the data always when you execute it. It's a good practice so that you will know what are the errors are comes under when you do your programming. So children, so now when you execute this, you can see, maybe I will open the DF1 and there is no missing values here. So you have considered all the other age group also under children, which is less than 12. So it's good to revise your columns whenever you write your program. So we can see one more option in mutate. So what I do from the data, I would like to drop the column of country completely. So let's see. So I would like to drop the complete country here in the data. So when you execute this and check, you cannot see the country column here, but in data we have it. We can do, we can create a new column here stating that this data is of a student's data. So now we'll create a column called report and we will show them that it's a student's for data. So once you execute this, you can check your data at DF1 and the country has been excluded and the age has been, group has been created, and the report which tells you that it's a student score data. So mutate, which really helpful in their data manipulation. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have any more questions about this kind of functions, please put your questions in in the comment section so I can answer you shortly. And I'll come up in the next video with a good topic. Until then, have a nice evening. Bye.